What's up, y'all? Let's see if we can guess it. You think it's frozen solid? Hopefully not, but let's see. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, we still got liquid. That's a good thing. So we'll try setting the fuel pressure. Gonna check the spark plug gap, make sure it's good, and then just go over a few little things here and there. It's freezing ass cold outside, so I don't know everything that I'm gonna get to, but I guess we'll wing it. All right, once we get her up to operating temperature, let's see, almost there. Then we'll set the base fuel pressure. So what we'll do is we'll pull the vacuum line off, unloosen the jam nut, and then use the top set screw to adjust the fuel pressure. Now, I've heard 43.5 is the best for these cars. I'm not sure, just because it has a port filler system on it. It's got 230cc primaries and 500cc secondaries. I might end up taking all that stuff off, but for sure taking it off when I get the Mega Squirt. Alright, here we go. We're going to set the base fuel pressure. So what I'm going to do first is pull the vacuum line off just to the right. And you'll notice the fuel pressure will go up. I'm going to turn that set screw counterclockwise, I think, to make the pressure go down. And then we'll go from there. How to adjust them air to fuel, the air motor fuel pressure regulator. So temps look good, idle looks maybe a little bit high. I might adjust that manual idle air control valve a little more. Maybe that's the issue. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit, which is going to be hard to film that because it's behind but underneath the throttle body. So I'll get back with y'all. not too bad. It's got a little bit of carbon on it. Don't smell like gas. Don't see no oil on it, so everything looks good. So I'm gonna go gap them. All right. Let's see. Looks like it's right at 26. So let's get the other ones out. Jeez, that one was what, 39, give or take. Ugh. Small tappy taps. Let's see. Almost there. I know, a lot of people are cringing right now. Just tap, tap. Sorry, it's kind of hard to film. And all right, looks like we're there, sort of. I'm sorry, I was mistaken. Oh, so I'm setting the spark to 0.26. All right, let's see. So that one's about 39 or so. All right. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, geez. Invert it. All right. Dang, that one was on. Oh, there we go. So, looks like they were all around 39. Alright, she's fired back up. Kind of got cold again. Back up. She does not like being cold. Need to run a bigger wire for the battery. It seems like I got a lot of battery drop when I do accessories. Might go ahead and do that. I was thinking about relocating to the rear, but I don't Mishimoto catch can. That's the 2-port baffled. This first time trying it out. Finally had time, but I'm gonna clean these hoses up a little bit. Try to make it look a little nicer. I still got make this motor look pretty decent. You know, hide a lot of stuff and get new stuff. So try to upgrade technology a little bit. That's just coming together, y'all. Alright, so here's the live data. Work's blowing my phone up. Valve, evaporative system, leak. I did have a the cam sensor was popped up, so I went ahead and replaced it, so it looks like it's not showing up anymore, but the car still kind of, I might have messed it up when I retuned it a little bit because I didn't realize the cam sensor was bad, so I might have to put it all back the way I had it before. That went haywire. But yeah, it's freaking cold. Alright, y'all, sorry. Started getting a little aggravated with it. I want to say that map sensor's bad because I unplugged it and there was no change in any performance whatsoever. It's got that that boost block, or that what do they call, missing link. It basically hides the boost pressure from the map sensor itself. I mean, that could be bad, I guess. Look, there's Skyline. Nice. But no, you know, it's just a little discouraging. I got that Mishimoto on there. Well, y'all saw that, but you know, it's just little things like, I know it's something simple. It's got to be something simple. Once I get it, I'm gonna be like, damn, man, you know, I should have known this the whole time. So that's where I guess I'm gonna conclude this video. Is, you know, I got to go back to work tomorrow. Got to work this weekend, so I might not get back to the car until next week. Hopefully Sunday. Yeah, I just really hope I can figure out the issue. I'm gonna go through some forums tonight, look at that, and see what I can find, and I'm gonna go ahead and just buy a new map sensor. And, you know, worst case, if that's the issue, I'll trace down wires, make sure there's no bad wire somewhere. I just don't know why it would work good one day, it run beautifully, and then literally a couple days later just run like complete shit again. So it's got to be something. It's something simple, I know it. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Sorry for the cringy videos. I know I'm still trying to learn, you know, so smack that like button and subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. You know, I'm trying, so I guess that's really all that counts. Well, you guys have a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see y'all soon.